Carrot clicker. In the second half of this lesson, you will create a clicker game that others can play. In a clicker game, the user scores points by clicking sprites to remove them. The code here is an example of a finished game like what you might build. You will be able to choose different sprite costumes and customize the rules of your game. Do this, read through the code, and make a prediction about how it works. Press run and play the game by clicking the sprites. How many points can you score? Optional, make changes to the code, such as using a different sprite costume or making a different number of sprites.
Ta-da!